Sanibonani, Jumilang, igama uzandi sibonga umfeka umalwandle lwandle kaluwela lwelezikojana zamazata esihambela lekude phezulu. If you don't know me, you have never seen this. Awuzibone lezi ziqhonyana. Yes, I am the host for the Meaningful Conversations with Uzani Mfeka. It is on YouTube, baby. It's a podcast, Meaningful Conversations with Uzani Mfeka. That is where we entertain you, we educate you, we inspire you, we do all things that make life worth living. We just tackle one soul at a time. But today I'm not here for that. If you want to know what is going on in that space, you can just simply go and log into YouTube and find us there, because we will educate you, will entertain you, we will inspire you. Kuningi okwenzeka kulesa space lesa. Kodwa njengamanje, the reason I am here is that I just want to extend my personal gratitude to you. We are counting down towards the Purposeful Influencer Awards, which are taking place on the 14th of November at Rivers Hotel in, I think it's in Morningside, right? Yeah, I think it's in Morningside. And I just want to personally thank you. I know ukuthi abantu abanginominated, they are on this platform, and I know ukuthi abanye abantu abanginominated, I don't even know them. God and you guys, I just want to say to you, gratitude. Kuthiwani zithini izingane? Yona leyo nto eziyenzayo ngeminwe. Oh, guys, I love you so much, and I thank you so much. And I am excited because it's the first nomination year podcast, a Meaningful Conversation with Uzani Mfeka. I've attended awards before. It was Shiro Awards in 2024, and on that space I was nominated for umsebenzi engiwenzayo, philanthropic work. Well, those of you who don't know, I've got kids. Amantombazane, they are between the ages of 8 to 21. They play soccer, and we usually bring to them some beautiful topics where we empower them, where we educate them about life at large and everything, where we just share everything and anything that will make sense to them. Kodwa right now I'm not there. Ngifuna ukuthi nje kuwena onginominatile, noma ngabe ukhona la noma ngabe ukho la, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And remember, ama-tickets are available at Quicket. You can just buy your tickets and go and support your nominee. There are so many people. I've done some episodes with them. Ubonga and Kisha, Lunacity, Mamvelase. Baningi abantu engenze ama episodes nabo on YouTube who are nominees kulama awards. So engicelayo nje ukuthi phuthuma ku-YouTube, Meaningful Conversations with Uzani Mfeka, uzowathola ama episodes ekhona lapho ekulindile. Kodwa ke, other than that, if you want to come and mingle with these big, beautiful, amazing content creators, usalindeni, go and buy your your ticket at Quicket. Yeah, right. Love and peace. Asibonane kuma awards.